Dam. Dam's over there. They're going to take the dam out. So we're going to go on the other side of the dam and show you what it's going to look like. Backside of the dam of Topsy, and soon what we saw earlier will all be gone and it'll look like this river down here, Klamath River. They're taking it out because it's too expensive to maintain the dam. What? And the fish ladder or something. I don't know.
Migration of a fish.
Yeah. A lot of memories up here. Memories. I'm gonna go up here. So over there, there's a Klamath River. Turn this into a creek. So a certain fish can travel. See the dams down there. There's the cliffs. Good bite on. What do you think, Burvle? Walk out. Yeah. Yeah. Come on.
Come on, Mickey. Come on, Mickey.
There you go.
Where's Mickey? Oh, here he is.
Pee on the bush, boy.
Huh?
Tell Burvle, pee on the bush, boy. You having fun, Burv? Yeah? This is Topsy Reservoir, and we used to come up here all the time, go water skiing. Had a lot of fun. Jumping off the cliffs.
Pool party. What's going, Mickey? What's going?
There you go, bro. Well, that's interesting, that old tree stump.
Huh?
That's interesting.
Yeah, it is.
Don't you fall off of there.
Me?
The dogs. Burvle, be careful.
That's the one we used to jump off of right over there?
Well, we jumped off this side.
No, it was the other side. Because we had to take the boat over there.
Burvle, careful. Come here.
You might knock you out.
Burvle, come here.
Come here, Burvle.
It's getting a little too close to that.
Remember we...
Burvle, get back away from there. I don't want to have to rescue a dog.
That'd be horrible. Did you get that over there really good?
Burvle, no. Burvle,
Come here, Burv.
let's better get away from here.
Huh.
He's getting too close.
He ain't stupid.
Burvle, come here. Burvle,
Burvle boy.
get over here.
Nice place to camp, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Bring the bus up here.
Live here for 6 months
Yeah.
till they chase us out of here.
Oh yeah, they would. Somebody's camping right over here. Got firewood and everything. No, Burvle. Go, over there. Woo!
These are
Kind of makes you dizzy.
ponderosa pine. cut down that tree.
Guess we could have drove right down here, huh?
Yeah. Looking for gold.
Walk back this way.
Did you get tired?
All right, Bob, we're gonna start right here and start paving the road, okay?
It's a birding trail. Little dot down there. Yeah. Wonder if there's a nurse too. Some little picnic baskets. Picnic area. I bet it's closed. Well, it have anything to do with the state, probably so. We'll go down there and eat anyway. Let's go back down there. Don't go in there. It might be making trash on the picnic table. Well, we're doing it. Mouse. This is a safety zone. When's it open back up? I don't know. Hey, let's go over here. This little thing that goes out there. Capping 14-day limit. All I gotta do is just move to another site. 2 weeks. Huh. What if you have to barrier free? That'd be nice, right? You park the bus right there. That'd be cool. You need a site where you can have sewer. Looks like it's there. You bathe once a month anyway. Twice. A year. Twice a year. Burvle. Here's where we used to go in. Right here, water. I mean, the boat. What's this? Mickey? Where's your boy? He got in the water. And there's the dam. Won't be here very long, so they tell me.
What are you doing?
Dam's over there. They're going to take the dam out. So we're going to go on the other side of the dam and show you what it's going to look like. In no time at all. I guess. That's what they tell me. Came out here with a school bus field trip, and the teacher told me that they're taking it out because it's too expensive to maintain the dam.
What?
And the fish ladder or something. I don't know.
Migration of a fish.
Yeah.
Salmon do that mostly, don't they? I mean, it's not like trout do it.
I don't know. Burvle's having fun.
Yeah. Do you remember water? Getting in the water?
Yeah. A lot of memories up here.
Memories.
We used to have girls get on our boat because they wanted to get on our
boat.
Had nothing to do with us. Yeah, they wanted on the boat because we had a boat. They wanted to go water skiing. Of course, girls didn't do that back then.
No.
But the thing was, they were in good shape. They weren't fat ass.
What do you think, Burv?
We had a few girls on there I had quite a crush on in high school. But I never talked to them because I never talked to anybody. That's the truth.
Yeah.
I was too busy water skiing, snow skiing, riding motorcycles, motorcycle races, and we did everything. Working.
Yeah, I was telling that one guy that the coach for the Mazama track team, I said, if you would have been hanging around me and my brother in my truck, in my car, we had tennis rackets, basketball, football, baseball, mitts, baseballs,
Ski equipment, water and snow.
Yeah, we were ready to
do anything.
Yeah, just bow and arrows, guns,
hunting, fishing.
We had everything. If we had pulled, if the cops would have pulled us over, we went to prison for having too many guns and ammunition, and we were ready for the apocalypse, running around getting the Walking Dead, killing all those. We'd have been ready to play basketball with them.
We had we'd go to school. We had our guns in the cars, rifles on the gun racks, and after school we'd all head out to hunting, whether it was duck or geese or pheasant or deer.
They used to not sell Coors beer in Oregon So at lunch, we'd run to Doris, California.
Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Burvle, no. Burvle. Burvle, get back over here. You don't go on the other side. Burvle, come here. That a boy. Good boy. Go ahead.
We go to Doris, pick up a case of beer, and take it back to high school.
Because they'd sell it to, and there was a line of cars from school.
And Boom Boom Boomala was there.
Yeah.
He was like that principal from
Back to the Future?
Back to the Future guy.
Yeah, he was. He'd tackle you. I mean, that was... Remember in the gym one time there was a kid doing something. I don't know what he was doing, but old Boomala was chasing him. He tackled, boy. He tackled that guy. Just upended him.
You can't touch a kid now.
Yeah, now you can't even think about it. If you think about it, you're in trouble. Look, he's getting a stick out of there. He's gonna bring it up here.
Well, bring it here. Get it. Oh, Burvle. That's a slimy old thing.
Don't give it to me. Give it to your daddy. He told you.
Here.
Throw it in right there.
That's a slimy old thing. Come on out here. There. Right there.
There he
That's
is. That a boy.
Good job.
Beautiful up here.
Warm.
It's beautiful. Nice.
Probably what, 60 degrees, maybe?
That doggone boy. It gets hidden in the water.
Hey, here we go. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You gonna drive over there? So, Mickey, are you enjoying yourself?
Burvle! Down here.
Don't want to have somebody. Don't want to have somebody shoot you. You know where you're going? Where you going, Mickey? You want in that car? What are you doing?
Hold on.
What was Steve doing there? Starting that car?
Now we're gonna go round to the dam.
Mallard ducks. 2 hens and a drake.
Yeah, that's the way it should be.
Yeah, see, God wanted it that way.
You went across it, no problems. Oh yeah, there's.
Didn't tell me it was a rope bridge. You could have got back.
Not yet. I mean, at this point,
You had to. You would have done it.
I had to. I'm back all the way up.
That's all right.
That's all right. That's it.
Let's get all the kids out there and have them guide you.
That's right. I was like, okay then. I can turn around. Yeah. Are you sure about all this?
Oh yeah. Takes 2 to tango. 2 to tango.
Pass property. Do not pass go.
Somebody over there.
He's controlling the dam.
Yeah, everything's fine. Everything's good. No leaks. No leaks. No nothing missing bolts.
No cracked lenses.
Ridiculous. Now he wants you to do it again. Have you been doing your pre-trip?
He's the only one that said he hadn't been doing it.
Okay. Okay, let me see it.
Now this is what it's going to look like. This is on the south side of the dam. This is what it's going to look like over there. Klamath River.
Klamath River. Takes two to tango, two to tango. If you hear a siren going on, get the heck out. That means it's exploding. So they're gonna ditch everything. Just open it up and ditch it. So do we get our money back? You've been getting a little nervous by now? About backing up? See that road that looks like it goes, yeah. That's some kind of this way.
It's got a steel frame. I didn't know that.
There he is. Mickey, what are you doing? Come on, Mickey Mouse. Good boy.
Is that blacktop? Huh? Spillway. Huh?
Interesting. Want to go slide down that?
Oh, yeah.
I'll get up there.
Okay. Some pretty big rocks.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Burvle?
Careful. Get your leg in between those rocks. Snap it right off. Get up there, Mickey Meow Meow. Good job, Mickey.
Get those geese taken out and everything?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Yeah. They don't want you to go up that road.
Huh?
They don't want you to go up that road over there.
You're giving to me and you come driving across.
Almost done, right? I don't mind. Been filming for 3 hours. So I wait. Yep. Wow. Into a highway, looking down the road again.
Klamath River.
So this will all be gone. Little creek. And back to Kamath Falls.
I can't let you go, there's no way. I'm already still burning. So hold to me close, now baby. I do what I'm told, still learning. To take my chances, to take my time. To keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting, the paradigm. No longer wishing, you're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1,000,000 life, yeah. We could roll the dice. Act like you're surprised, but you already know. Oh yeah, got lucky overnight. Jackpot when I got the invite. Let me wrap my arms around you, 'cause I can't go home without you. And my heart just vibe with you, babe. Wanna go sky high with you, babe. Gotta bring you close to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. Cooler than cold, I'm all in. So load up the dice, so heavy. The way that you roll, I'm falling. So I never fall, I'm ready to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting, the paradigm. No longer wishing, you're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1,000,000 life, yeah. We could roll the dice. Act like you surprised, but you already know. You're my lucky strike, and I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike.